Everyone is telling you AI will change your life for the better. More productivity, more money, more freedom, but nobody is telling you what's happening underneath. The manipulation, the dependency, the danger. In the next 6 minutes, I'm going to show you the dark side of AI that nobody in tech wants to talk about. And by the end, you'll never look at these tools the same way again. Welcome to GlitchWise. AI is the most powerful technology ever created, and like every powerful tool in history, it has a shadow. The internet gave us connection, but also misinformation. Social media gave us a voice, but also anxiety. AI is no different. Here are the 5 dark truths they don't want you to know. Dark truth number 1: AI is making you stop thinking. This one hit me personally. The more you use AI for everything, writing, decisions, ideas, the less your brain actually works. At first, it feels like efficiency. You get more done, faster, but slowly, without noticing, you stop struggling with problems. And struggling is exactly where growth happens. A recent study showed that people who rely heavily on AI assistance show measurably reduced critical thinking over time. AI doesn't just do your work, it quietly replaces your ability to do it yourself. Dark truth number 2: deepfakes are now indistinguishable from reality. In 2026, AI can clone anyone's voice in seconds, generate a video of anyone saying anything, and most people cannot tell the difference. This isn't theoretical. There are already documented cases of AI voice cloning being used to commit fraud, manipulate elections, and destroy reputations. A single deepfake video can go viral before it's ever fact checked. The truth takes days to catch up. The lie travels at the speed of light. And the tools to create this content are free and accessible to anyone. Dark truth number 3: the jobs disappearing are yours. Everyone talks about AI creating new jobs. What they don't tell you is who loses first. Research from Stanford shows that entry-level roles for people aged 22 to 25 are declining the fastest. That means if you're just starting your career, AI is coming for your first opportunity before you even get it. Customer service, writing, data entry, basic coding, legal research, all being automated right now. The new jobs AI creates require skills most people don't have yet, and nobody is training them fast enough. Dark truth number 4: AI cyber attacks are already happening at scale. Anthropic, one of the most respected AI companies in the world, disclosed an AI orchestrated cyber espionage campaign in late 2025, targeting banks, governments, and tech companies. AI can now compress weeks of hacking reconnaissance into hours. It writes perfect phishing emails in your exact writing style. It clones your boss's voice to authorize fake transactions. Microsoft's security systems now analyze over 100 trillion signals daily just to keep up. The attacks are getting faster. The defenses are struggling to match. Dark truth number 5: millions of people are falling in love with AI. This might be the strangest one. Nearly 1 in 5 high schoolers in the US has had a romantic relationship with an AI. Tens of millions of adults use AI systems daily for emotional support and companionship. And for some people, especially lonely or vulnerable ones, AI becomes their primary relationship. The problem? AI is designed to agree with you, to never challenge you, to always be available, and that creates dependency, not connection. Governments are already passing laws to regulate AI companion apps because what starts as comfort can become isolation. Look, AI is not evil, it's a tool, but every powerful tool in history has been misused. The difference now is the speed and the scale. Being aware of the dark side doesn't mean avoiding AI, it means using it with intention, with control, with your eyes open. If this made you think, subscribe to GlitchWise, because we don't just cover the hype, we cover the truth. Drop a comment. Which of these surprised you the most? See you in the next one.